Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create an AirTM account. First you need to choose your country and whether it's a personal or business account, and then click on continue. Okay, so for me I'll do personal. My country is Kenya, and then you can go ahead and sign up with the different methods. You can sign up with email, your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple, right? Whatever you want. Then you have to put in your password and then enter your legal names. Okay, make sure it matches your identification documents because we're going to verify this next. I'll show you at the end. Okay, that is the most important part. Right, so then you need to confirm your email. You'll get an email on your inbox. Go ahead and click on confirm email, and then go through and fill in your address, your phone number, because you will need to verify this. Okay, very important. You can verify this using an SMS or WhatsApp as well. So put in your correct number. And now here you're able to add funds. So you can add funds using the P2P network, which is the peer-to-peer network. Or you can add it through the different methods they have. PayPal, Skrill, Amazon USD digital cards, Payeer, a Kenyan bank, M-Pesa, depending on your country, right? Your debit card, your, crypto, whatever it is. But the important thing I want to show you is here. Come to the bottom left and click on settings. And here, click on the second menu there at the top for verification. Now here I want you to click on verify documents now, and then upload your ID, your national ID, or your passport or driver's license, and get yourself verified. Okay, so you can get higher limits and you would not have any problems with your account. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.